In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clockify's time tracker so you can track your work hours accurately. Knowing how to manage your time is essential for better productivity. Let's get started. Go to the time tracker section on the left side of your dashboard. This is where you can start tracking your work. You can type what you're working on in the text box. For this video, I'll type how to tutor as the task name. This keeps your time log clear and easy to find later. Now click Project and choose which project you want to assign this task to. This helps you organize your work by project. You can also add a tag to your time entry for easier filtering when you create a report later. Tags make it simple to sort and analyze your time data. Now you can turn on or turn off the billable option by clicking the $sign. This is useful if you're tracking work for clients or billing hours. Once you're okay with all the settings, just click Start. Your time will start recording immediately. And that's how to use the Clockify time tracker. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick guides. See you next time!